Juhai Machinery is a professional manufacturer dedicated to wire harness automation equipment. We provide automation solutions ranging from standalone machines to full production lines for wire harness factories worldwide. Our strength begins with research and development. Juhai owns over 50 patented technologies across cutting, stripping, tinning, crimping, wire insertion, and connector insertion. Our dedicated engineering team covers mechanical design, motion control, software development, and process integration, ensuring every generation of equipment is smarter and more advanced. In manufacturing capability, we operate a 6,000 square meters modern factory with full machining capability, multiple assembly lines, and complete testing procedures. Every machine undergoes assembly, burn-in, functional verification, and sample testing to ensure it is production-ready upon arrival at customer facilities. We focus on solving real manufacturing pain points. Our systems serve consumer electronics, home appliances, automotive harnesses, medical assemblies, and industrial applications. Juhai delivers not just machines, we deliver processes, jigs, wire compatibility solutions, on-site training, and ongoing support. We grow together with our customers. Our equipment has been deployed in more than 100 factories and continues to expand globally. Whether you produce handset cables, appliance harnesses, automotive wires, or medical assemblies, Juhai has a solution tailored for you. Juhai Machinery will continue driving customized, automated, and intelligent solutions to make wire harness manufacturing faster, more precise, and more reliable. Welcome to Juhai, your partner in the next generation of automated wire harness production. Juhai Machinery technology that transforms production, automation that defines the future.